So, hello everyone. Today we are going to redesign a poster which was created by AI and which I talked about in my last video in the month of January. So, let's dive into the designing part. And for the tool, I'm going to use Affinity. So, yeah, without wasting time, let's come on the screen. To tell you the tutorial for a complete beginner. So first you have to install this Affinity, and let me show you the first photo which I got from the AI. It's fine, it's not really bad, not really good, but I think it really misses visual hierarchy. And other than that, it doesn't follow a proper grid system, or I think the font pairing is not that great because this doesn't look that professional. This part of like the one doesn't look that professional, though it's fine. Let us recreate it using Affinity. So I've already recreated it. Let me show you. Um, Rather than showing you the stuff, we're gonna recreate it again, or gonna tell you the basic stuff which are required to do the thing. So here we are. What I'm going to select is this is the preset which I use most of the time. It's FSD 180, 180 pixel into 1920 pixel. So here leave all the setting the same. Just add the artboard. What it does is you are able to put a lot of artboard or images into it. So after creating the document, you will be having something like this. By clicking on this part, the name section here, you are able to rename it however you want. Other than that, let me tell you some features of it. Here you have the I'm here in the pixel section. So for making this poster, I'm going to use the vector section. So here we are at the vector section. Here you can see the artboard. Here is transformation navigation history. So here you can rotate things up and navigate stuff. And here you have different effects and other settings. Here you can use path brush and quick effect style and other effects which you can put on it. Like these are some of the gradient type of stuff which you can put. Here you can see the fill stroke stuff, right, appearance stuff, and stroke size and all these thing swatches. You can see the colors here, and this is the best way to find the color. I think this thing is what I really use in my process. So yeah, and here you can see this is written export SVG. So SVG, what really means is you must have seen a different poster on banner, poster or banner, whatever it is, on the big size, sales advertisement and all those stuffs, beside highway or maybe flyovers. So those pictures are made in SVG form, which we also say as vector. So what it really does is if you going to let us open just a file, right? One of my file, I'm going to let's go on the home page. So clicking on Affinity, you go on the home page, and I'm going to select, for example, this one. This is the first thing which I created while learning Affinity. So here you can see if I zoom on this, you can see it's not getting that pixelated, right? That much pixelated, and this thing which you can see, it's like a gradient which I'm using, that's why it's like that. But other than that, the quality remains the same. If I take the same poster, same poster into pixel section, okay, this is not like the pixel section, it's still in vector form, that's why it's not. See, you can see this type of stuff happens if you are designing it into pixels, and the images you wanna import is not going to be that great also. So yeah, that's really not a good thing for you. So yeah, let us move back to the place. We are going to open the poster that we created. So let me import the picture. So here, by going here, you can import any picture. So let's see where it is. Right here we have the picture, and in comparison, let me show you what I really did from the starting section. So first, I went to the view section. Here, after clicking on the view section, you can see there is an option of grid. So after clicking on the grid, I keep the margins 11. So the distance from these lines, like the grid to here, is the margin section, and the number of column and row you can increase or decrease by yourself. I mostly keep the columns 6 and rows 5, and I like arrange it according to the posts and stuffs I need. So I arrange the letters in like series, you can say, right? According to the grid, you can see the bottom section of the letter is here and top is here. I have arranged every letter except the for, because it was not looking that good. So like the grid system rule is good, you can use it, but you also have to check it, like if it is looking that good or not, like it is suitable for your project or not, because rules are meant to be broken, but you don't have to break every rule, otherwise you will look like some random computer cafe वाले भैया जिनको डिज़ाइन की कोई सेंस नहीं है. Like I'm not disrespecting them, but most of the people, they don't have the proper skill, that's why they are there only. So let's stop talking on the controversial topic. So here for color, I mean, I selected a gray color, and other than that, I put some gradient stuff on it, right? So after that gradient stuff, what I really did was I like wrote this words, and for this cutting stuff, what I did was I selected the rectangular tool. So you're gonna find this shape tool here, and you can make a rectangle or square, whatever you want to, right? So I created it here, matched according to the grid system. And let me tell you one more thing, right? If you want to make this text, you just have to go here, select the artistic text, and then you can like make it. After making it, you can write like F. Maybe it's not visible, I think the color must be something else. Let's see what's happening. So font color, put it to random. Like for example, right? So this letter, you can see I want to resize it. I can resize it. I can make it small, like tilted, or maybe I can do whatever I want, right, with it. So like if you wanna do it, you can do it from here. And here navigation section, let's come to layer section. So if you want to paste something somewhere, like this text is here, like this thing, this bar, let us come to the cursor and let's select this rectangular shape. So for like making it over the text, you have to just pick it here from here and keep it above that word. So if I keep it here, or maybe I remove it from here, so you know it goes back of the text, and it is not that much useful. So I keep it above the layer, so it makes some sense and it does what I want to do. After making this, what I did was I resized this text, like the whole line was do it for the dopamine, don't do it for the dopamine, do it for the diet. So in place of adding a lot of text and stuff, I just cutted the word dopamine, and here I wrote the word diet with another font and also another color, so it is much visible. So you can keep it according to yourself. So this is how you most of the time create it. And yeah, here we are with the first, not first, but yeah, another poster. So here you can like select the size and font size, font type, whatever you want to keep it, and color you can select from here. And stroke, if you talk about like the stroke, outer stroke and the inner side, those stuff, you can do it from here. Let me show you an example of one of my design where I use strokes. So this is one of the design which I take inspiration from the internet, and you can see these text like which I used have a stroke, and these doesn't have a stroke. So this is what we call stroke. This kind of text, you can see it's made from stroke, and I use different letters, and like I did just a lot of fun with it. It was just for the fun. So yeah, I designed it, and it also had a grid. It's not visible because it's also in black color. I have to change colors and all. So yeah, let's remove this and this. Yes, can't leave it. Then this was my first poster which I made using the same uh, grid system view. You go on guide, you put it all the stuff which you want. So I used here 6x8, and this was the first thing which I made while learning from a channel. So yeah, this is what I really did. After that, this is the poster which I wanted to design in January, and now we are here with the poster. Let me know in the comments, what do you think, this one is better or this one, because it has a lot of textures on it. So if you will suggest, I will put a lot more texture on it also, but I like it to be simple and not too much filled up with stuff. So yeah, this is what what came after a bit of work. So yeah, do let me know your thoughts on comment, and other than that, do let me know also what type of content I should be making. So yeah, thank you for watching, and meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.